How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to change language on WeChat. Now, first things first, let's head on to your WeChat application. And next, click on this icon right here. Then once you're in it, go to Settings. And once you're in Settings, go to General right here. Now once you're in General, go to Language. As you can see, I've set my language to automatic. Now you have some options right here and choose the language you want to change. So for example, I'm going to change my language to Espanol. And click on Save. And as you can see, the language on your WeChat application is now changed. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!